Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the import procurement in SAP MM. So when we procure materials or services outside the country, we have to pay the custom duty to the government. So there comes the importance of import purchase order. So that should be placed against the foreign vendor with the foreign currency. In this video we will discuss the basic configurations that is required for the import procurement. So the first step is I need to create the foreign vendor. In the material master record, I have to extend the material view with the foreign imports view. And, in the pricing procedure, I have to maintain the customs condition type. So these are the primary configurations that need to be configured. So first, I create a new vendor and just go into the T code XK01. So in the account group, this is the this is not the account group. Let me create a new account group for the vendor. So I just enter into the new screen. So you can assign or create a new account group for foreign vendor. I just go with this vendor itself, and there is a possibility you can go with the new account group. Just click on enter. So I just give the name as a foreign vendor itself, and the search term corresponds to the company code. So let me give the address. So give some postal code. So select some foreign countries. So I just go with some country. So these are the banking details for the vendor. I just skip this, and also the reconciliation account. And you can create a new reconciliation account for foreign vendors, but I go with the same reconciliation account. And the cash management group should be foreign payments. It is not a domestic. Just click on enter. The payment terms. So the order currency is, let me change the currency. And also the Incoterms. Let me give the Incoterms as cost, insurance and freight. So I'm not linking any partner functions. Just click on save. So you can see that the vendor 72 has been created. So let me first see the materials available with my plant. So we have this material. This material is raw material. Okay, let me extend this material view with the foreign import view so that I can use this material for my import procurement. So let me do it. So to extend the material view, I have to go with the T code MM50. So I just enter the material number and click on execute button. So just click on all these tabs and click on maintain materials. So it responds to the classification. Just don't want this. I don't need the classification view now. I just need the foreign input material view. And you can see that just navigate to the you can see the foreign trade import. Just click on it. It is demanding for the MRP controller. So I have not maintained any MRP parameters. So I just create a new one. We will extend those. We will see how to extend the material type material master in our forthcoming videos. Just want to create some new material. Here is a raw material. Just go with the basic parameters, basic view, that is purchasing here. Foreign trade import data, and don't go with the export data. I have selected additionally this view, there is foreign trade import data. Don't want the MRP views. I have not configured till now MRP parameters. General plant data. I have configured the warehouse management, so I have included the warehouse management tab also. Just click on organization levels. Click on enter. So just give what are the important things. So purchasing view. And here comes the foreign trade import. So I've extended this, included this view additionally in this material master, and also the plant. So these are all the same. I don't want to have any more additional data here. The accounting, the valuation class is assigned. Okay, let me save it. So I've created the material also. Material number is 20013. So the next step is I have to go with the condition type. Okay, we have already processed the pricing procedure. You can refer in my previous videos. I've gone through 2 videos for pricing procedures. So in that I'm going to additionally add the customs duty. Let me enter into the material management, to the purchasing, to the conditions, define a price determination. Here you can see the condition types. So the condition types I want to configure now is customs. Since the customs need to be paid, so I just drag it to the last. So you can see that the customs available with the percentage, value, and quantity. So I just select the percentage thing and I just copy it. So let me change it to is Z0BE. It is a customs for BRP company code. Just link the access sequence and the pricing procedure. So these things we have already configured in our pricing procedure. So you can see the condition category is delivery cost. Okay, let me save this entry. So I can use this condition type in my purchase order. So I've created the condition type. I just want to configure in my calculation schema. So this is our pricing procedure. I just enter into it. So here I just go to the new entry. 60th step. The condition type is this. I think it is ZOBE. Okay, you can see here. Just save this entry. So the customs duty need to be calculated from my gross price. So I just enter here 10. Let me show it here, the gross price. So the additional parameter I need to maintain is this thing. And also the accounting key need to be configured. Let me go finish it. So here the accounting key is, since it is a customs, we have customs clearing, that is FR3, and also the accrual need to be configured with the customs, the same FR3, and save it. So an account need to be created for this accounting key. Let me go into the new tab and assign it. Let me create account. So this this customs we need to pay, and it is a liability to our company. So let me create an account in my liability section. Let me create a new account, and I will name this, it is a balance sheet account, especially from liability. So I will name it as customs clearing account. So the control data is, let me change the account currency as US dollar. Okay, no need to tick this. And both the line items need to be ticked, line item and open item management. And the field status group should be G017, that is freight customs provisions clearing MM. So just click on save. Okay, I have created the account. I need to link a default profit center to this account. Let me go into the new session. So in the financial accounting new section, you can see the default profit center. So whatever the new accounts has been created, we need to assign it to the default profit center, especially for balance sheet accounts. Just include the created account here. Okay, I have done it. Okay, now it's time to link this account to my accounting key. Let me go with the transaction OMBC. Sorry, the T code is OMYC. Sorry, OBYC. Sorry, the T code is OBYC. So here you can see the transaction key, that is the key we have linked here is FR3. Okay, I just move to the FR3, that is customs clearing, double click on it. Okay, the chart of accounts is BERP. Let me enter it, save it. Okay, just link the account 2010. Just now we have created this account. Okay, I have created link to the account. So this procedure has been saved. So the next step is need to define the schema group for the vendor. So we have already created the schema group. This schema group BE vendor, the BE vendor schema group. So let me create a new one called B1. This is for my foreign vendor. Let me assign this. This is already existing. So let me have it as B9. Okay. Okay, the same. I've created a new schema group, and I will determine this in my purchase order. Let me have a new entry. Okay, B9 is my schema group for vendor, and the same procedure. Okay, let me save it, and I have to link this vendor schema group in my vendor. So let me change the vendor. I just move into this tab xk02. So in the purchasing data, I just link my vendor schema, that is B9. Okay, let me save it. Just clicked on no. Save it. So I made the essential configurations. You can see here. So these things we have performed. Now we can move on with the purchase order. So the document type for the purchase order can be configured, but here I am going with the standard PO. The vendor number is 72. I just remembered. The material number is okay. The import material. Let me purchase a 10 quantity of it. The currency will be updated automatically. I just leave it. So the document type I have not configured a new document type, but we can configure. But I will show it in a separate video. Okay, and in this video, I just go on with the standard purchase order. So let me give the conditions. So first the gross price, and then the customs. So let me have the price is 10,000, and the customs, let me give a 10% of it. Just click on enter. So the discount, I just go with the 0%. So you can see here. Okay, let me save the purchase order. So I will link the customs in the purchase order. Okay, let me save it. So first the next step is I have to release this purchase order, and then we will post the invoice. We will post the customs invoice first. So that is when we once the material is received from the airport or the dockyard, so then we have to go for the invoice posted for the delivery cost, that is for customs. So once the customs invoice has been posted, then only the goods receipt and the normal invoice receipt will be posted. So let me first confirm this purchase order. So release the purchase order, that is ME29N. click on document overview on. So just this is the last created purchase order. So I have released the document. So let me post the invoice for the customs. The T code is Miro. So in this, just enter the purchase order number. Enter the purchase order number. Just click on this icon. So here I just change this to planned delivery cost. First we will process the customs duty invoice, and then we will perform it in a separate invoice for the material price. Just click on adopt. So here I just change. I need not go with the input tax. I just go with the no tax. I have configured this no tax. So if you want to learn the input, the tax configurations, so we have I have posted a video on SAP FICO playlist. You can search it from there. Just I just clicked on no tax. So here the amount I have to enter here is the custom invoice. Sorry, the custom duty amount. So I don't know the amount. Just click on this purchase order. We will just confirm that this is the custom duty amount, that is 12090. So let me go back. I just post the amount here 1012090. Quantity is 1. So this is the amount. So let me post this. Click on tax. Here it shows the maintain the tolerance limit for tolerance KW. I just enter into it by double click on it. We can make the arrangements here itself. Define tolerance limit. I just click on it. So just execute it. The tolerance limit KW need to be configured. Just copy it and change the company code. So once it has been configured, just move back the same way and move back. You will reach the invoice and just click on enter. So this input tax need to be deleted. It is not deleting. Just delete it, selecting out it and click on delete row. It is not deleting. Just untick this. So I have not made we should not post any tax in this. Let me check. Okay, I just enter this amount 12090. Okay, let me post it. It shows the messages. Tax code is also exists. Tax code 10 is also exists. Okay, let me how to delete it. Okay, I just link this no tax in my custom duty account. Let me go to the account. Okay, I just enter into this customs clearing account. Let me change it here. I just want to make this as a tax category. There is no tax here. Click on it so that this account will be will allow this no tax entry here. Now let me go into the invoice. I post it. Still the invoice is missing. So I have removed the tax. So just post the invoice. Still the images, it shows the error in the account determination. So I have cleared the error. Let me show you. Okay, the error in account determination. So let me solve this. So I just enter into this new tab. So just click on financial accounting new, and tax on sales and purchases. Just enter into the calculation. Define tax code. My country tax code. This is no tax. Let me enter into it. So here just click on tax accounts. So just link the this no tax. So just link my input tax account here. So just search for my input tax account. Where it is? Okay, here. Okay, let me link the account. This is for no tax. Just move on to this. GL account is not consistent. Okay, again some error. 210 is not consistent. Let me open the account. Okay. Okay, just remove this. Let me save it. Okay, it is asking for the sort indicator. Okay, let me go with the purchase order, the sort key. Where it is, purchase order. Let me save it. Now I just post the invoice. Okay, the invoice will be posted now. You can see the error has been cleared. Okay, you can see the document is posted. Let me display it. So the accounting entry behind this invoices. Click on follow on documents. So here the foreign vendor is credited and the customs clearing account is debited. So this is the so by this way we have cleared the customs clearing. So the customs invoice has been posted, and now we can process with the goods receipt. Let us me go. So just place the goods receipt for the purchase order. So click on item OK, the storage location. So it seems the document is okay. Let me post it. Okay, the material document is posted. Now let me show the accounting entries. So you can see that the inventory account, JRR account, okay, as usual. and also the customs clearing account comes into picture. So now we can post the goods movement invoice receipt. That is, again I go to the Miro. Once again I need to post the goods receipt, sorry, invoice receipt, and here I just click on this, and now I change this planned delivery cost into goods service items. Click on adopt, and you can see the amount with quantity displays here, and in this I can process. Okay, just give the baseline date, that is today's date. So the next thing is tax. So here I just go with the input tax, and for Indian country we need to go for IGST. The IGST comes into picture, so you can create a new tax code. I just go with the input tax here. Just okay. Similarly, we need to follow uh, some other configurations, depends on the country. So I will just describe the basic structure of import procurement, and some other configurations will be needed for country specific configurations, and you can go accordingly. Just go with the amount. Okay, let me save it, and previously there is a configuration with the CBD and AED, but now it was replaced with the IGST. So that's why I've told that the tax should be replaced with IGST. So you can configure the IGST, and you can link here. So the document is posted. Let me display it. Follow on documents. So this is the thing. So let me show it in our purchase order. Let me change the purchase order. Let me go to the purchase order history, and all the things will be updated here. So this is the process. You can go like this, and this process is a very basic structure of import procurement order. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So kindly subscribe to my channel. We'll post more videos. Thank you.